This video demonstrates the termination procedure for the Uniprise SL Category 5E and Category 6 UTP jack. This jack uses the industry-proven SL termination with the SL termination tool and will continue to offer the same level of performance as the previous version. We will terminate a Uniprise Category 6 UTP cable on the new UNJ 600 jack. Here are the components: copper cable, SL style jack, bend limiting strain relief, and SL termination tool with lacing fixture. The modular jack accepts 4-pair twisted pair cable with solid conductor sizes 24 through 22 gauge or stranded conductor sizes 26 through 24 gauge. The jack features a universal wiring label used to aid in proper wire color coding. To get started, slide the strain relief onto the cable. Next, using the SL tool, strip approximately 1.5 inches off the outer jacket. Separate the pairs and trim the tape separator, using care not to cut or nick the wire insulation. Insert the prepped cable through the lacing fixture in the SL tool, separating each of the 4 pairs, untwisting them, and lacing them into the fixture per the wiring label. The lacing fixture is labeled for 568A or 568B wiring. Next, insert the jack into the lacing fixture, aligning the color-coded wires. Press the jack into the lacing fixtures so the conductors begin to seat into the slots and the jack is held in the fixture. Insert the lacing fixture and jack with cable into the SL termination tool. Fully depress the handle of the SL tool to terminate the connector. Remove the terminated jack from the tool. There may be wires that were not completely cut off during the process. These can easily be removed. To remove the jack from the lacing fixture, gently rock the jack from side to side to release it from the fixture. Visually inspect the terminated jack to ensure proper seating of conductors. Next, slide strain relief onto back end of jack and seat into position. The terminated jack may now be installed in the M-Series patch panel or faceplate.